material or the substance which allow the flow of electric charge that means positive and negative ion through them easily when externally electrostatic field is applied. Let's say if there is a material in which there are electric charge, when the electrostatic field is applied, then the charges inside that start moving, so that is called conductor. So example, the silver, that is the best conductor. After that, the insulator, substance which do not allow the flow of electric charge through them when placed in electric field are called insulator. Like the substance in which electric charge cannot flow when they just place in an electric field, that is called insulator. Examples are the glass, rubber. After that, next one is the free and bound charges. Free, that are freely to move, bound, that they cannot move. How it is so? Electron in the outermost shell, like the electron who are in the outermost shell, here in the outermost shell of an atom, are loosely bound to the parent nuclei. These that electron in the outermost shell are loosely bound to this parent nuclei, so they move freely inside the metal. So they are very loosely bound, so they can freely move. When electric field is applied, then these electrons move in the direction opposite to the applied field. When we apply the electric field these electrons start moving in the direction opposite to the electric field. What he said, like there are free electrons in the outermost shell, they are very loosely bound. When the electric field applied, they start moving in the direction opposite to the electric field. If this is the direction of the electric field, then this loosely bound electron will come from this shell, इससे बाहर आ जाएंगे and start moving in the direction opposite to this electric field, in this direction. Thus the positive ion which consists of the nuclei and the electron held at their position. जो इसमें पॉजिटिव आएंगे वो रिमेन एट देयर पोजीशन. दीज इमोबाइल दैट मीन द चार्जेस दैट कैन नॉट मूव कंट्रीब्यूट द बाउंड चार्जेस. सो द पॉजिटिव आइन ऑन द न्यूक्लाई दैट आर इमोबाइल. इसमें जो पॉजिटिव आइन होंगे न्यूक्लाई के पास वो वेरी इमोबाइल होंगे. फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन जो आउटर मोस्ट शेल में वो मूव करेंगे उसको फ्री कहेंगे. जो पॉजिटिव आइन जो दैट कैन नॉट बी मूव, so that are called immobile charge, or they are also called bound charge. Immobile charge or bound charge. In the case of electrolyte, both positive and negative ion, as we know, both are charge carrier. That means both are moving. Positive ions stick toward the negative and negative ions stick toward the positive. In the case of electrolyte, their movement restricted by the external field and the electrostatic force. उनकी जो मूवमेंट होती है, अगर उनको इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखा जाए तो उनकी मूवमेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में अगर रखा जाए तो उसकी मूवमेंट को वो रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इन एन इंसुलेटर द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर टाइटली बाउंड ओके टू देयर पेरेंट न्यूक्लाई. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं किसी भी शेल में वो न्यूक्लाई के टाइटली बाउंड होते हैं. दे कैन नॉट फ्रीली मूव. जो आउटर मोस्ट शेल में होते हैं वो फ्री नहीं होते इन द केस ऑफ इंसुलेटर टू देयर पेरेंट न्यूक्लाई ओके एंड कैन नॉट बी डिटैच फ्रॉम द एटम. दैट मीन दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन आर कैन नॉट डिटैच आइदर इन द आउटर मोस्ट और द मिडल मोस्ट और द नियर मोस्ट. सो the charge in the insulator are bound charges. Either it is a positive or negative, both are bound charges because of the absence of the free charges, as there are only bound charges. Because the charges cannot move, they just stick toward their covalent nuclei. So the absence of free charges, the insulator are the poor conductor of the electricity. Next topic, that is the dielectric and the polarization.